I think I got to connect with various players and stakeholders in fashion and textiles and organic textiles, and I got to meet people who have the same thinking as Rethread and who have the same vision as us. So it was a very necessary event.
My name is Mina, CEO of Perfect Fabrics, Cape Town's best blog for quality African print in cotton, silk and chiffon. And today I'm wearing a custom-made jacket from Memsha Couture using my own fabric. So on this side is a cotton African print, and this side is a woven fabric called the Fugu Kente that I designed and had weavers back home in West Africa, Ghana, which is home, made this for me, and I'm wearing this. That's it. Turn around.
My name is Joy Ezeka, and the CEO of Zuri and Imani. I'm a surface pattern and textile designer. What I'm wearing was designed by me. It's called the Gidan Sariki fabric. It's inspired by the King's Palace in northern Nigeria.
Upcycling all those fashionable outfits out there. So I'm going to be working with all different places.
My name is Noreen Wansha. I am a co-founder and chief marketing lead at Rethread Africa. And what we do, we basically discover the technology to turn agricultural waste into textiles that are bio-based, sustainable and biodegradable.
And how did you find this event?
Well, this event was very much timely because I think I got to connect with various players and stakeholders in fashion and textiles and organic textiles, and I got to meet people who have the same thinking as Rethread and who have the same vision as us. So it was a very necessary event, and I also got to showcase what we do and what we have. And I think Africa is headed in the right direction in terms of organic textiles and in terms of sustainability in fashion.
My name is Natalie, and my parent who I'd give the medal to for my beauty would be my mom and my dad, to keep peace in the house. So thank you to both mom and dad for bestowing me with the beauty that I have. Thank you.
My name is Sunny Dolat. I was a speaker here at Africa Textile Talks 2023. It's been an incredibly inspiring day, hearing from various artists, designers, and creatives working within the textile industry, adjacent to the textile industry and outside of the textile industry, hearing everything from talks about textile manufacturing and garment manufacturing to, of course, the future of textiles as well as sustainability. And it's been interesting that sustainability has really been the thread that's run through all of the conversations here today. A message to the young designers. I don't know, keep at it. I think we're in an interesting moment in humanity as Africans, as Black designers, as Black creatives, where we have to keep at it. We have to be relentless in our effort. We have to be persistent in what we're doing and in what we're saying. And that you are the future. And so, keep at it.
My name is Alexa, and if I were to give a medal to the person I got my beauty from, it would definitely be my mom, even though my dad would disagree.
4, 2, 1. So it's your opportunity to ask me a question.
Yes, of course, I have already done it. So in response to your question, I would like to know how you would feel if South Africa did not have white people in it. Question.
Hey,
There we
she
go.
was
So answer the
prepared.
other question.
Prepared for that question.
Now you need to answer it. Come on.
I've been trying to prepare for it.
Yeah, but you-
So for my side, I feel like if South Africans didn't have white people, number one, obviously the economy is gonna die because we only have the manual skill.
That's not true, surely.
Yeah, we don't have the.
But it's not the answer, really. Yeah, I want more.
It's such a strange question.